Now don't over-bridle yourself, buddy. You can pull that. You can take that bed. There you go. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, yeah, you stretched out. Don't over-bridle yourself. I'm not holding you. You can take it. He is so soft. Oh, that's the way I like him, though. Nice and soft, just like butter in your hand. Good boy. Good. Walk. Walk. Good. Can we go the other way? This way. Good boy. I'll just stand here and wait. There you go. We're going to use the fence to help us. That's a boy. That's a boy. You want to try it again? He said, yes, I do. I want to try. Put your head up. There, he's carrying himself a little.
Shall we quit?
And walk. I'm having so much fun watching him.